So welcome to this module. So in this module, we will build the light bulb on off application. So let me first show you the final version of the application. So this will be the application that we will build in this particular module. So you can see we have this particular bulb and we have this button. So if I click on this particular button, the color of the button is changes to green, which indicating that the button is actually on, and also the color of the bulb is changes to yellow, which will basically indicates that the bulb is actually on. If I click on this particular button again, then you can see the color of the bulb is changes to grayish one, which indicates that the bulb is actually off. So we will build this particular application in this module. Also, you need a one library, which is the Font Awesome Cloudflare version of the library. So you just need to come to a browser, and in the search bar, you need to simply type here cdnjs, or you can simply type the cdnj in the short. Just simply type it, and when you press the enter key, it's going to display some results. So you just need to click on the first link. So when you click on the first link, it will open the web page. So here inside the search bar, you need to search for the font awesome. Simply click it here, and just simply you need to copy this particular link tag. So once you copy it, you need to paste it inside the index.html under the head section of the HTML document, which I will be showing you in the next lecture where to place this particular copied link tag code. So now from this lecture onwards, we are going to start with the HTML part of the project, which is the light bulb on off project. So you can see I have already created the required files inside the Visual Studio Code, which is the index.html, style.css and script.js file. And all of these two files are linked with this particular index.html. Now it's time to copy this particular link tag code from the cdnjs website, which is the Cloudflare version of the Font Awesome library. So simply you need to copy this particular link tag and come under this particular index.html under the head section. So here I'm going to paste the code. Also, I'm going to click on view and word wrap so that you can see everything more clearly. Also inside the style.css and similarly inside the script.js. Okay, so now I'm going to close this particular Font Awesome library, which is the Cloudflare version of the Font Awesome. So you can see I have launched the version of the project that we want to build in this particular module. And this will be the final version of the application that we want to build, so that we can get a reference what things we need to place inside the HTML document. Okay, so the first thing is we need to actually create a one division that is going to be act as our light, and under that we need to create some more division tags. So here inside the index.html under the body tag, I'm going to place the div tag. And now inside this particular div tag, I'm going to specify the class to this particular div tag, and then I will be specifying some tag inside this particular division tag. So the class is going to be light. Then I'm going to here specify the another division tag, and also I'm going to give this particular one for the wire. So this particular wire, you can see this wire, this black line is actually our wire for the bulb. So that is actually going to be done or achieved by using this particular tag. After that, I need to create the another division tag. So the class of this particular division tag is going to be bulb. Okay, so this is our bulb, and then I need to specify a icon. So icon, for that we will be using the Font Awesome icon. So I'm going to specify the class, which is going to be like FAS, FA, and then I need to specify the hyphen. Then here I will be using the light bulb icon. If I control save it, then you can see we get this tiny little black color bulb icon. Okay, now if I 100% zoom it, okay, so now this is our 100% zoom. After that, we need to create the switch, that is this particular switch. So this thing is also achieved by using Font Awesome icon. So make sure you are outside of this particular wire division, but you should be inside this particular main light division tag. So here I'm going to specify the another division tag. Now the class of this particular division tag is going to be switch. And then inside of this particular switch division tag, we need to specify the another I tag, in which we need to specify the Font Awesome icon. So FAS, the class of that particular one, which is going to be like power off. So here I'm to use the power off. If I control save it, then you can see we get the power off icon. So now we have placed all of these particular icons inside the HTML document. So that marks the completion of the HTML part for this particular light bulb on off project. So in the next part, we will write the CSS code inside this particular style.css file so that our application will be look like this. All of this stuff we're going to do in the next lecture.